If you're looking for a cane to help with your mobility, this cane by HONEYBULL does a fantastic job. It's a adjustable cane that can be folded, so you can easily put it away or hang it up just with this little hook that's here. I really like this a lot because it gives you a nice flexible base here. So as you're walking, this will actually bend. This will give you stability as you roll over the cane with your arm. I like the fact that once again, it is adjustable and you just adjust it by pushing on this button right here. And then you'll just move it to whatever height that you need. And then once you pick your height, you then screw this on right here to keep it at that level, and then you're good to go. I do really like the grip on here. It's a natural grasp, and you also have grooves here for your hand as well. Additionally, these rubber tips, these are replaceable. These will break down with time just because things don't last just in general. But on the bottom here, there's actually a QR code. So when it's time to replace them, you can go ahead and just use that to order another set. This is a self-balancing cane. So if you want to just put this down somewhere, you don't actually have to hang it up. You can just put it right down and then walk away. Easily put this in your car so that way you can take it on the go with you. You're going for a doctor's appointment, or even if you're traveling or flying. This hook right here, once again, holds everything together. Then just keep it together like this. So if you're looking for a cane, I would definitely say check this out.